Unit 1, Miss Medina Spanish class. Hello everyone, my name is Miss Medina and I will be your Spanish teacher this semester. To help me plan outside class, could you please tell me a little about yourself and your reason for studying Spanish? I am happy to meet you all next week. Hi, my name is Amy. Right now I am staying at home. I am taking time off from my career as a paramedic to spend time with my kids while they are young when they are all in school. I plan to go back to work my part-time. I am trying to keep my skill sharp so it be easy to get a job when I will enter the workforce. I want to employ my Spanish so I can communicate better with our Spanish-speaking customers. Hello, my name is Bob. I'm working at the same company for 13 years, but now I am retired. I am really enjoying all my free time. I spend a lot of time with my grandchildren and I travel quite a bit. I am studying Spanish because I want to meet local with I travel to Spanish speaking countries. Hello, hi everyone. I am Star. I live with 3 roommates. We are friends from college and we have a great time together. I am employee at the moment. Last month, got laid off for my job because my company downsized. I am looking for a new job and I think I will be more employable if speak another language. Hi, my name is Elle. I am self-employed and I work from home. I make jewelry and I sell it at local shops and online. Working from home is painful, but I get only sometimes. I am enough to a guest woman from China. She would eat in English, but I need to speak Spanish so I can communicate better with her family. Hi, I am Liz. I am manager at a software company, so I am pretty basic. I am divorced. My kids live with my own weekend and with my ex-wife during the week. I am not studying Spanish for any special reason. I just love learning language and it's a good way to meet new people. Unit 4, Paul Gary. Hey, Harry, remember me? I ran into Garrett Murphy. We were all in math class together the other day and she told me you were living in Montreal. I live there too, so what have you been up to since high school? Harry and son, it's good to hear from you. I hope you doing well. A lot has happened since high school. I traveled around the world for a year after graduation. First, I went to Colombia, where I worked as a server in restaurant. Then I lived in Australia for a while and working on the farm. Next, I went to visit where it is some freelance West Side. Finally, I went to Hong Kong. I was pretty good at Spain and Chinese by then, so I got a job at a translator and a multinational company. I fell in love with a co-work and stayed in Hong Kong for 3 years. After my boyfriend and I broke up, I left my job and came back to the city. Now I'm single is about so we are on the road a lot. It's really exhausting anyway enough about me. What's been going on in your self? Progress. Wow, you have 18 years. I have done math really after high school. I went to college. Then I got job at a software company and I worked there. It was I have been married for 3 years. That's about having now boring at all. It's so relaxing. I am starting to want a life like yours, but I don't have a college degree. So it's hard to get normal job so it won't be get to get together and catch up one of these days. I live on the website. How about you? Paula, Paul, really? I live on the website too. My address is 47 Congress Street. Helen, you are kidding? I live right across a street from your home on over from some coffee.